The heat given off from volcanoes is how the Earth ventilates. If we use the natural processes of Earth to generate the power we need to sustain our needs, we could eliminate waste of time and energy. Why build a reactor when we already have one in continuous motion venting from the Earth? Like our temperaments. If we use our heated encounters with each other in a conducive way, we can move mountains that may otherwise leave us in fear and in turmoil. Our bodies give us clues into how our environment behaves. I hypothesize just like taking care of our bodies helps us thrive, that taking care of the planet will help the planet thrive as well. A lot like taking our pulse to check our heart rhythm. Through science and technology, we are able to use the same types of machines to track the rhythms of the Earth. Instead of being in fear of the Earth's rhythms, we can learn to work with them. And become stewards and benefactors of the force of nature that is already in motion and enlivens us all.